Hello everyone. Today this debate was organized by Ashok sir and we are to speak on why should girls are not study. In the ancient time, like Rani Lakshmibai, Ramabai, many women was not study. They are not educated, but they have a high quality, a high knowledge, and they support our freedom in our freedom struggle to fight against the British and play a major role in that. Yes.
Girls' education is more necessary than boys' education for the development of a nation. Study is the dream of many girls, that's why you can't stop them from education.
In the foreign, women are educated, so in the foreign, the wedding are not a long time because they are educated. So we can say that women are should not be educated.
If we study girls, then our country become unemployed. All persons are educated. Girls and boys are both equal. Girls should not study. If girls study, then she does the equality of the man's, and she does not do the houseworks and do not wear the traditional dresses, and she does equality to the man. If she goes office with the man, it's not look better, and it is not good for our nature. There are fundamental rights in our constitution which includes right to equality, in which girls also have a right to study.
The tradition of the India is most famous tradition in the world, and this is by the women of India. Women of India have a great knowledge, and they follow the tradition, and the Indian tradition, the most famous tradition, and the foreign people come to India to follow the tradition. And at currently right now, the Indian women are study too much, and boys too, and they follow the other countries' traditions and forget our country tradition, but the foreigners follow our country traditions. So if women study, the Indian tradition was.
Sorry to cut the short. The hospital and the government by the private sector opening the girls.
According to me, women should not study because the women will be study, so Indian tradition will be affected. The women study, then women wear American dresses, Indo-Western clothes, and Indian dresses will be affected like that sarees.
So it is very important for girls to take the right decision.
When girls do study and do job, then who cleans the house and who makes the food? Thank you.
Girls' education is very important for the empowerment of women in the society. Girls' education is also help in the eradicate of society evil by child marriage.
Girls are goodness not to study.
Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is a government social scheme launched by the Mr. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to order address imbalance and discrimination against childbirth. This scheme launched on 22 November 2015 at Panipat, Haryana, Thursday.
We are not against the girls. We are in the favor of the girls too. Our aim is that the girls have great knowledge from the starting, and the boys are not have great knowledge from starting, so they need to study further.
Beti Padhao scheme is to aware people about the importance of girls in society.
According to me, if girls study, then he does today's in our nature. There is a big reason for fight in the house. There is a big reason in girls, because girls self studies, and the girls do the equality of the man, and they do the fight with the man decisions. And
Sorry to cut you short. Education helps the empower women
and fight against gender discrimination. Today's nature, girls not fight. Girls do the best reason for the fight in the house. They give the divorce to the man.
According to me, girls are very talented from the boys because girls were do the domestic work like brooming, sweeping.
Sorry, cut you off short. Right to education is a fundamental right, so we should give girls and boys equal.
According to me, I don't against the girls because Ashok sir will talk. They the topic, so I can speak.
On the launch of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi asked the public to educate the correct side and follow the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme to better girl child. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched this program on 22nd January 2015 in the Panipat, Haryana. Thank you.
To cut the short, but this is a topic of why girls should be studied and why should girls not be studied. So you are telling about the girls need to save, and Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is about the girls to save, not to write to girls the studies. So please stay on the topic and focus on the topic.
Educated girl can get a good job and support her family.
I give you the short example. Ancient women have great knowledge of remedies, medicines, and the remedies have great knowledge. But nowadays, girls need to study to become a doctor, and they achieve the knowledge equals to the ancient women, and sometimes it less than the ancient women. So there is no matter for girls to study. So if the girls not study, that does not happen because the ancient girls have already that level of knowledge.
People in the Indian society have very rude mindset in the girl's child. That think girl like burden in their life, burden in their life who only to need that whole life from their parents never give. Parents never give. However, it is not truth. Girls occupy almost half population of the world. So they are half responsible from the existence of life on the earth. Less important of a girl child in the human society is causing.
Ancient women know to the ancient medicines that like Kada, and today's women are become educated. Then he made the doctor and he take the English medicines. So we can say that women should not be studied.
Lakshmi is the best example. I does not study, but she fight to the British and give independence to our India.
Girls should not study because modern girls not follow the old tradition, so girls should not be studied.
An educated mother is more likely to have health knowledge, ensuring her children's and receive proper vaccines of their health and provide healthy muscles are nutriently beneficial.
I think that when the girls study more, they do not respect their big elders and culture, caste and dharam parampara.
Sorry to cut you short. Girls are very important role play in our life and helps in other works, houses and generation for our life.
Is mistaken. When the girls study more, they do not respect their big elders and their parampara caste, and they did not give.
Education gives the authority to girl child to choose her career and support her family.
When the girls more study, they did not give time to their family, elders and children. So I think that the women did not study more.
Because women are the first teacher of their children.
Women know how to cook the food, but nowadays women don't know how to cook the food. So I suggest women should not be studied.
men are the not progressing, but in this time women are in a high progressing in a hospitals school level is because girls do study.